had a quick login in Roblox. So here's how it works. What you want to do is load up the Roblox app on your phone. This is going to be if you're trying to sign into your phone. So here what we're going to do is just click on sign in, and you just want to click on quick sign in. This is going to generate a QR code as well as a code. We're just going to use the code. So now that you have this code, you want to go on your PC. So I'm just going to go to my PC here. Once you have signed into your account, you will click on quick sign in. Now right here you will type the code which we just saw from our phone. So I'm going to do that. Okay, and you will click on enter. After you have done this, you will just confirm login because this is going to be your account. And now if I click on done here, I'm just going to change back to phone. And as you can see, it has signed me in. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.